Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to show you a gadget which can save your time and as well as energy conservation. And this gadget works with both connection, wired or wireless. In my case, I use wired connection with my 12 volt and 1.5 ampere battery. If you want to make it wireless, you can connect 12-volt battery to its motorable module. How it can save your time and your energy conservation. Once you have initialized this gadget, it will work as per your presence. It means this gadget will detect human. When you enter the room, it will open the fan, and when another man enters the room, it will start moving. In this way, it can save your time and energy conservation. Means as you initialize the project, initialize this gadget, it will not work. But as you come into the room, then it start working. When means then it start consuming electricity. Fine. And how it can save your time, you do not need to have to switch on off the buttons of your room when you enter to the room. And let me tell you how it's worked. And first of all, I am going to connect my 12 volt and 1.5 ampere battery to, okay, you can see the initializations command on the screen, like first is print welcome and then it print project title. Fine. And I'm going to tell you how it's work. This time it's only initialized and I'm going to start its working. And I will move my hand in the front of IR sensor, and here's my DC motor, here my servo motor, and here's potentiometer. And in the box there are two buttons which can be used for the forward or reverse bias of motor, means you can move it clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now I'm going to initialize. First you focus on IR sensor. As I move my hand in the front of IR sensor, you will see the fan will start working. Let's see. Fine. As it IR sensor detect the human, it start our DC motor of 12 watt. And when it detects second human, then it will start moving. Let's see. Focus on IR sensor. You can see the fan is efficiently moving. Now you can see on the LCD the duty cycle and as well as its direction, it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. Fine. And here is the potentiometer. Here is the potentiometer. You can change the fan speed. You can increase or decrease it. Fine. And if you want to make the cycle reverse or forward, here are the few buttons. When I press one of them, it will make our cycle clockwise, and I press second of them, it will make our cycle anti-clockwise. Like you can see in the LCD, now it's moving clockwise. And now I want to tell you how it's working. In my motor module, I use Arduino UNO and L298N motor driver module, and as well as LCD, IR sensor, servo motor, DC motor, potentiometer, and few buttons.